Okay, I'm working on my 92 Dodge Stealth. Today's job was to replace the wheel stud. First job, of course, remove the wheel, jack it up, support it properly. All right, on Stealth 316, it talks about creating this little notch right here. And to me, the little notch was not near enough to get this bolt past. I even tried grinding off a edge of the stud, and it wouldn't slip past at all. So what I ended up doing is you have to remove, or at least loosen, the 4 bolts that hold the wheel hub assembly on. This includes the bearing, all of this. You have to remove the I don't know, it's like a 30 nut right here. And what that allows you to do is to give you a little space to push in on these bolts right here. So all I did is I backed them up, and of course I've never taken this off on my car, and everything is pretty rusty living where I live. So it took quite a bit of work. I took my 2-pound hammer. I would bang on the bolts right there, kept hitting them. So that's one thing I did. Took an air chisel into the groove right here to loosen it up. Sprayed some wonderful PB Blaster on there. I'm not sure what it did, but might have helped a little bit. Combination of all those things, going around to all the bolts, all the 4 bolts, loosening them up a little bit and beating the crap out of the back of them, trying not to damage the head. I was able to create this little crack that you see right in here. And this crack was enough to allow me to slip the bolt in. Look at the outline here. Stud or bolt. It's really a stud in there. And then it's just a matter of tightening this up, letting the bolt on the outside, or nut on the outside, pull the stud through this area here. So I think I've got this thing licked, but I thought it was worth noting. I took a fair chunk out of this and still was not able to get the stud past. So I'm sure, Stealth 316 is a reliable source, and maybe he was willing to gouge into that more than I was, but I found it was easier just to take this nut off and then knock this off. Now, I saw some people that wanted to remove the whole assembly up here and give it all that motion. Might have been a little bit easier, but in my case that was not necessary. Until next time, happy wrenching. Later. Bye.